CES 2018 coverage is brought to you by Silicon Dust, the makers of the HD Home Run digital television tuners. And I got to look at the Blink security system. They've got a new thing out called the Blink Doorbell. Actually, not out yet, but it will be soon. $99. It does just about everything you'd want one of those doorbell systems to do, but it only costs $99. You can talk back and forth on it. You can see the people knocking on your door, get notifications, and it runs on 2 AA lithium batteries that should last for a year or more. I covered that camera security system a few months ago. I'm going to do a follow-up on it because I have their outdoor cameras, and I'm really eager to check out the doorbell because there's no monthly fee with it either. So pretty cool stuff there. This channel is brought to you by the Lon.TV supporters, including gold level supporters, the Black Eyed and Blues Music Hour podcast, Chris Allegretta, Steve Blixt, Stanley Taub, and Kalyan Kumar. If you want to help the channel, you can by contributing as little as $1 a month. Head over to lon.tv/support to learn more. And don't forget to subscribe. Visit lon.tv/s.